Bullish Uniswap cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $23.36 and $50.88 by 2030. Market experts accept Uni could reach $23.36 by 2025. Bearish Uniswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $4.15. Uniswap presentation. In 2021, digital money dealers adored the Uniswap coin, which saw huge benefits all through its short presence. Be that as it may, as 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade token saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a critical achievement in May 2022. All-out exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion imprint, despite the horrendous presentation of its local coin. What future possibilities could we at any point predict for Uni? Go along with us underneath as we inspect the cost expectation for the Uni token throughout the following couple of years if you have any desire to keep awake to date on every one of the latest measurements and projections for this suddenly famous digital money. What is Uniswap? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, had its true send-off. The stage, a decentralized application based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the change of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to energize them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet are the essential drivers. The clients additionally have unlimited authority over their confidential keys. A Uniswap's point of interaction was less difficult to use than those of the other DES. Accordingly, it is just a robotized market creator utilizing open source code. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with smooth and basic exchange along these lines. The AMM system is the underpinning of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is delivered. A commission of 0.3% is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool's hold account. Each commission is paid out to Uni holders at a pace of 0.05%. with the excess 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers. In spite of the fact that Uniswap isn't the main task to utilize AMM, it did significantly advance this line of exploration, which prompted the development of extra conventions with a comparable construction. Uniswap Crucial Investigation. Hayden Adams laid out the decentralized trade Uniswap in November 2018. Two shrewd agreements that are housed on the Ethereum blockchain in addition to a public, open-source front-end client make up the convention. It is a completely on-chain market producer that empowers the transformation of ETH to ERC20 tokens as well as the other way around. Then again, on the off chance that Uni doesn't zero in on unambiguous headways, the cost could decline. All things considered, in the event that the computerized resource doesn't answer market sentiments, we might expect common significant levels. Uniswap Specialized Examination. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development has been allegorical, similar as the entire digital currency market, considering that Uniswap is delivering the third variant. The rate rise is expected. The people that deal with the Uniswap Specialized Examination by means of the TradingView stage accept that Uni token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary forms this mid-year. They guarantee that financial backers presently get a 3x benefit. Extremely bullish, then, Uniswap current cost. Uniswap is at present worth $5.19 USD. Uni has moved 0.63% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,861,863. Uniswap is presently positioned 16 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,943,412,959 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Uniswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Uniswap Uni cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Uni will before long outperform $12.98. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Uni's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Uni will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $10.38 and a typical exchanging cost of $11.42. Uniswap Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $18.17 and Uni might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Uni is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $16.61 and a low of $15.57 in 2024. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. assuming that Uniswap effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados. The Uni coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Uni will be green in 2025. The Uni is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $23.36, with a base cost of $20.77 and a typical cost of $21.80. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Uni cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $27 by 2026, with a base cost of $25.96 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Uni has a most extreme value worth of $28.55. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $32.19. In the event that Uni figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $33.74. Neglecting to accumulate the help Uni needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $31.15. Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. While Uni is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $36.34 and a yearly cost close above $38.94 in 2028. Uniswap Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Uniswap will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $41.53 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $44.13, averaging out at $42.57. Uniswap Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Uni cost in 2030 is projected to be $50.88 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $48.80. We can completely state by taking a gander at the Uniswap coin diagram that the Uniswap token is beneficial to put resources into. Furthermore, considering that the cost of the Uni coin has expanded by around 560%, it has serious areas of strength for and of positioning among the main 10 digital currencies. What is the Uniswap cost today? Today, Uniswap is exchanging at $5.19 with an all-out market capitalization of $3,943,412,959. Is Uniswap a wise speculation? Uniswap ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Uni is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Uniswap at any point go? The typical cost